If you've ever struggled to keep your projects on track, learning how to create task dependencies the easy way can save you hours of frustration and confusion. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it without overcomplicating anything, so your projects flow smoothly, deadlines make sense, and your team knows exactly what's next. I've tested the most popular project management tools out there, and there's one that gets this just right. Intuitive, quick, and easy to use. I'll walk you through how to set up task dependencies inside the software we'll be using, and if you want to follow along, there's an exclusive free trial just for viewers of my channel. Link is in the description. Let's jump right into it. Open up your project dashboard in the software. Start by creating the key tasks in your workflow. For example, if you're planning a product launch, you might have tasks like finalize product design, set up marketing funnel, and launch email campaign. Now, here's where task dependencies come in. Instead of manually adjusting each task when something shifts, dependencies automatically reschedule related tasks when one changes. So if design gets delayed, everything linked to it updates instantly. No more chain reaction headaches. To create a task dependency, hover over the task you want to start first. You'll see a little dot or connector icon, usually on the edge of the taskbar or card. Click and drag it to the task that should come after. This creates a finish to start dependency, the most common type, where the second task can't begin until the first is complete. You can also adjust the type of dependency if needed. Some tools allow for start to start or finish to finish types, depending on how closely linked your tasks are. But for most use cases, sticking with finish to start keeps it simple. If your software includes a Gantt chart view, task dependencies will show up as lines connecting the tasks. You can easily adjust dates or relationships by dragging and dropping, and the entire timeline will adjust accordingly. This is especially helpful for visual learners and complex projects with many moving parts. To remove or edit a dependency, just click the connecting line or the dependency setting in the task details, and you'll have the option to delete or update it. Dependencies also help with setting automatic alerts and progress updates. Once they're in place, your software can tell you when something is overdue or blocking another task, which is perfect for staying ahead of problems before they snowball. Here's the key takeaway. Creating task dependencies the easy way isn't just about saving time. It's about making your entire project smarter and more responsive. Once you've got this set up, everything else becomes easier to manage. Your timelines, your team communication, and your deliverables. Quick recap. Start by creating your core tasks. Then link them using finish to start dependencies. Use the visual timeline to adjust as needed and monitor progress using built-in alerts. And if you haven't already, I highly recommend taking advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description. It's the fastest way to follow along and try this out for yourself inside the same software I'm using. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.